Jolene is the fat one with the white tail. You need to be cut off. This is Cowgirl. There you go. And this is Dolly P. Good girl. Good girl. Want some more? Here. I know. Hi. 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 Y'all are pigs. No, you're actually goats, but you eat like a pig. Right. I'm gonna try to catch that chicken. Y'all can't come out. Well, maybe I can lure it out. Come here, little chicken. Come here. How do you call a chicken? Come here. No, that's not goat talk. That's chicken talk. Come here. Come here, little chick. I'm going in. Hi, guys. Here, chick. Come here. She's not having any part of it. Come here. Might have to hold a goat and not a chicken. Nope. Oh, no. So, you know, I really don't enjoy listing cookie cutter houses so much. I like houses with a fun factor, and this one has a lot of fun factors. So this is my little friend here. She's gonna show us around a little bit. We're at 160 Comanche, out in the Black River area of Georgetown. So we're about, I'd say 15 miles to the downtown historic district of Georgetown. But you are in the country. It's so quiet out here. It's about noon right now. It's super duper quiet. But this property's got so many cool features, and I'm just going to highlight some of those for you. So, and if you like chickens and goats, then you can have those out here if you want. So out here, you can see there's a big fire pit for you to enjoy those evenings and oyster roasts, and the quiet in the evening time. There is a large pond back here. They have it professionally maintained, just to keep it nice and neat and clean looking. But you've got wooded areas, so if you're into hunting and wildlife, this is a beautiful spot out here. Some of the other features here are, there's a little garden area, so you can grow some of your own vegetables. And I'm gonna put you down, baby. There you go. Big screened back porch with vaulted ceilings. Again, you can enjoy the sloping backyard. This lot is just under 1.5 acres, so it's a nice big property. They had about 150 giant pine trees taken out of the yard, which really opened up the space. And you see it's a nice sloping yard back here. But this is the garden area. And they've got tomatoes and squash and watermelon and all kinds of things planted. But what a beautiful day this is. And again, a great space if you love the outdoors. Lots of things to keep you busy out here. What is that? That is beautiful. Nice little shady spot on the porch. So this house is across the street from the Black River. So you can access the water. There's a public boat landing about a mile away, easy peasy. Or even better, you can make friends with your neighbors across the street, and I'm sure they'll probably hook you up and let you access the water from their side. Maybe give them some eggs, trade off. These owners put gravel in the driveway. The roof was put on 2019, so it's just a couple of years old. And over here you have the other side of the chicken coop, lean-to little barn area that's on the left side of the house, and it has a metal roof. And there's a gate on that side for entry, so gates on both sides. There's a 30 amp RV hookup here, which is a plus for a lot of people, especially if you have guests and they come to stay and they can stay outside and leave you alone for a little while. This house was built in 1987, and it's about 3,000 heated square feet and almost 3,500 heated square feet. And when I tell you there is no wasted space, I am not kidding. There is a walk-in closet in all of the bedrooms except one. There's walk-in attic storage space. The linen closets are huge. The laundry room is huge. The pantry's big. The bedrooms are all big, but there's 5 bedrooms. One of them you could use as an office if you wanted to, but there's 5 bedrooms, 3 of which are downstairs. The owner's suite is downstairs, and the other 2 larger bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom in between are right here downstairs. There's no carpet in this house. The floors, most of the floors are heart pine that came out of an old barn in Hemingway, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I may be making it up, but I'm pretty sure that's what I was told. The kitchen has renovations done. The fridge is new. There's new quartz countertops, soft close drawers. There's a pretty dining space in there. And the owners took this, there's a front room right here that used to be closed off. It was kind of strange. They took the walls out on either side and they made it like a bar area. But you could put, if you are a musician, you could put a piano in there or do any number of things. But I really like what they did in here. The great room has a beautiful brick fireplace and surround. They recently had the chimney cleaned, so that's a plus. There's beams in the great room. Again, on the main level, there is tons of space. And then when you go upstairs, you have the 2 other bedrooms on either end, and then a great room, bonus room in the middle. Again, if you have guests, that's a great spot to put people there. Well, you need to take a look at this house on the inside. We'll show it to you. It's gorgeous. And if you like that country feeling, this is an amazing place to be. Again, I'm out here in the middle of the day. The breeze is blowing. I hear birds. I don't see anyone out here. It's awesome. Anyway, it's beautiful, and I hope you'll take a look.